So where we left off was studying with variables. So now we're going to make more use of variables. So as usual, we put a $sign, we give the variable a name, and we're going to put age for this time, and then we're going to give it a value. Now if it's a number, it doesn't have to be in quotes. So this is a number, it doesn't have to be in quotes. So now, if you heard that, that was my sister yelling for no reason. So now we're going to backspace this, and now we're going to say echo name is age. Okay, now we don't need this anymore, so let's backspace this. And now let's actually debug it. And it should say Ron is 13 years old. 13 old. I didn't put use. But, okay. So now it says that. So, now, what we could do is, we could say, now we could change that. So now we could say age plus plus. And this will add 1 to the age. So now it says 1 is 14 years old. Or you could go minus minus, and it will subtract 1. Now, plus plus is the same as going age equals, then age again, plus 1. So that's what, so instead of typing that all out, we just go plus plus. Okay? And then we could do some useful stuff. So we'll say age minus 5. So now, whoops, what just happened? Okay, whoops, here's what we did wrong. Age equals age minus 5. Now let's do this. So now it says Ron is 8 years old, and I'm not 8, but you guys know this. And you could times it, you could divide it, you could do all sorts of stuff. So now we could perform so now we know how to echo stuff out. So what we're going to do next is going to learn how to use the if statement. So now actually we're not going to do the if next. So now we're going to echo this, then we just add 1 each time. So plus, I'm just going to copy this here. And now let's see how it looks. So it says 1 is 13, 1 is 14, 1 is 15. So this is just some use of the variable. So you could change it as long as you want. So yeah.